most importantly, my fellow graduates. As I stand here on this special day, I am filled with a mix of emotions, excitement, gratitude, and a little bit of nostalgia. Today marks the end of our elementary school journey and the beginning of a new chapter in our lives. Throughout my time in elementary school, we learned valuable lessons, made lasting friendships, and grown in ways that we may not have thought possible. We overcome challenges, celebrated successes, and formed memories that will stay with us for a lifetime. As we stand on the threshold of middle school, I want us to remember the importance of perseverance, kindness, and hard work. These qualities will serve as the foundation for our future endeavors and will guide us through any obstacles that may come our way. I want to take this opportunity to thank our teachers for their dedication and support throughout the formative years. Your guidance has helped us learn, grow, and discover our passions. You have taught us not just academics, but important life lessons that we will carry with us as we move forward. I also want to say that I would have been able to do all of that if it wasn't for my parents and my grandmother. Thank you, Daddy, even though you are far away from us and having a hard time at your job. You still do everything to give us a good life. When you are on vacation, you drop us and pick us up from school. To my mommy, thank you for all the sacrifices since we were children until now. You are always there for us, and even though Daddy is far away and you are alone in taking care of us, you never get tired. To my grandmother, who is in heaven now, thank you for taking care of us with Mommy. Thank you for the advice and cooking delicious meals every day. Your support has been the foundation of our success, and we are grateful for all that you have done to help us reach this milestone. As I end my speech, I am proud to tell you all that I am a product of St. Dominic Montessori de Manila, and I can say that basta't batang magaling sa St. Dominic galing. Erin Marie Estedan, thank you and God bless.